Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's approaching 4 o'clock, 26th of April. It's a bit gloomy here today, grey and overcast. The sky over there doesn't look very good at all, but yeah, over here it's a little bit better. So I'll give you a chance to take the view in there. So yeah, it's Saturday, so we're just going to have a walk through a couple of the back streets and around the town area and see what's going on. Obviously the children have gone back to school, but we're at the weekend, so are they coming back again? Weekends are always busy in Blackpool now, but nothing like the school holidays. You got to remember, a lot of people came away over the 2-week period, so I just want to find out if Blackpool's busy this afternoon. I'll go for a wander. Just a view of the Manchester pub there. Yeah, Blackpool are playing away today. They have got a big game coming up at home, which is Birmingham, so that should attract quite a big crowd. Mark Kelly's on the prom. £1 burger bar there on the prom. Getting busy round here now. This Tommy Cutler's bar, cheapest pint in Blackpool, £1.75 for a pint of lager. Yeah, £1.75. Upstairs and downstairs. Terrace on the front. Mark Kelly's Central. And then the Lifeboat Inn, which is a massive karaoke pub. Very small in there, but a great atmosphere. And of course you've got the Hardwick there. Strongbow Foster's and John Smith's and Murphy's, £1.80 a pint. So yeah, this is a place to come and drink if you want a cheap pint. Vauxhall Market. Been rebuilt, it was rebuilt many years ago. It's always been a market, but before it was rebuilt it had a fire. But underneath used to be a nightclub, I believe, called Zoe's. Am I correct in saying that to the local people that watch my videos? And there are parts of Vauxhall, as we all know, which are pretty run down, but I think slowly it's changing. It's never going to be perfect, is it? In the climate times we're in financially, but and Chris Higgett's Burger, he's closed early today, isn't he? Well, we haven't been down here for a while, have we? Looking at the demolition going on here. Certainly cutting into this corner now. Bonnie Street, of course, it's closed for traffic. Well, first impressions, there seems to be quite a few people about, and the weather's holding up. terrace bar there on Central Pier, if you can hear me. Yeah, I believe it's only about 14 here degrees. It's not very warm, but we are still in April. We were spoilt for a couple of weeks, but next weekend is supposed to be a scorcher. But I don't know yet. We'll wait and see, shall we? Yes, apologies for not doing much in the week, but yeah, I was a bit lazy, just to be totally honest with you. I've just been a bit lazy this week, and that's the only reason why I haven't come out. But next weekend we will be full on, because we've got the AGM of the Young Farmers, and if you know anything about it, you watch my previous videos, it's a mad one. So we'll be doing a lot of coverage over the weekend, probably going round a few times, round a few streets, the same streets, but it's very interesting to watch these people. If you don't know, make sure you watch after next weekend. Prisoners on the run. So next weekend is Young Farmers, so basically it's a massive, excuse my French here, it's a massive piss up, and you won't ever see the town many times like you will this weekend. Bit of the Primani area here. It's not today, but it's an horrific wind trap here, isn't it? I've mentioned this many times before. Yeah, so I think you'll look forward to next weekend's videos, particularly if you like the night ones around the pubs and the bars. We shall get as close up to the action as I can for you without putting myself in danger. Few out partying, as you expect. The sights and sounds of Blackpool. Yeah, a bit of Stuffy Murphy's there. Oh, Rose and Crown is quiet. Normally there's quite a few people outside this Rose and Crown. It's certainly warm, I know that. And we've reached Abingdon Street and St John's Square. Yeah, I believe there's more dancing competitions going on in Winter Gardens this weekend. And see the square. It's funny this here. That's the new Jacket Potato place, which is closed, and then you've got this Japanese restaurant which is open, but would you agree with me, it looks closed? Oh, let's have a walk through Abingdon Street Market, just see what the vibe is in here today. You've all been in here before, but let's go and have a look in here. Always busy in here. And of course the post office is now being sold with a grant from Blackpool Council. I think it's going to be a hotel, but it could be a long time before anything happens. And also it's a listed building, so it's going to be limited what they can do, and that includes like double glazed and new modern windows as well. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that develops throughout the year. This is someone's Airbnb.
I'll spin on the end of my top like that. I'll spin them around like a propeller.
Yeah, Dixon Road here. Duke of York here. So obviously it's been taken over if you haven't been here for a while. But you got breakfast served daily from 9 AM. So if you're staying somewhere in this area and you haven't got breakfast, don't forget the Duke of York. Yeah, from 9 AM daily. Few small B&Bs. Anyway, most of you know this street I'm about to walk down. Francis Street. Lovely little street this is. Seems a million miles away from Blackpool, it does. Most of you know it, but we'll have a quick walk down here and show you it. It's just a few terraced houses in a really, really narrow street. And it's what I'll call very cute looking, isn't it? Caledonia Hotel there. Yeah, just up at North Shore now. Just give you a little view over the sea. Just before we go to the seafront, I'll just point this out to you people that might not know. Bowie's Lodge here. It's dog friendly. I've actually had a friend that stays there without a dog, and yeah, he recommends it. But yeah, let's give you a final look and a time check. So it is 5:01. So there you go. Looks great, doesn't it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that walkabout. Tried to do a bit of everything. Again, apologies, there was a bit of a gap, three-day gap, 4-day gap, I think. But yeah, we will be back on it regularly next week. And obviously look out for next weekend when the young farmers are in town. Very interesting one, particularly if you like the pubs and bars ones. Anyway, I will be back on before that. And I enjoy this one. Take care for now. Bye-bye.